Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock item in Tally Prime. First, ensure your inventory features are enabled within Tally Prime to manage stock effectively. From the gateway of Tally, select the Create option. This will open a list of masters. From this list, you will then choose Stock Item to begin the creation process. It's a straightforward path to setting up your inventory. Once you've selected Stock Item, the Item Creation screen appears. Here, you'll enter the item's name, make sure it's clear and distinct. Next, assign it to a suitable stock group which helps categorize your inventory. Finally, define the unit of measure, such as PCS for pieces or KGS for kilograms, to accurately track quantities. These steps are crucial for proper inventory management. Beyond the basics, you can set an opening balance for existing items, including their quantities and rates. This is vital for accurate initial inventory. You'll also define statutory details like GST rates and HSN codes, ensuring compliance. Furthermore, configure costing methods, such as FIFO or LIFO, and market valuation methods to reflect your business's accounting practices. These advanced settings provide comprehensive control. After entering all the necessary details, simply accept the screen to save your new stock item. Tally Prime will then process and store the information. To confirm, navigate to the stock item register to verify that your item has been successfully created and is listed correctly. This ensures everything is in order for your inventory tracking. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.